Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a ladybug and bumblebee theme. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First draw a sleeping line. Now draw an oval and two small circles for an eyes. Now draw a sharp edge oval. Draw lines and circles for the legs. Draw curves and circles inside an oval. Now draw second ladybug. Draw an oval and circle. Now draw sharp edge oval for the body. Lines and circles for the legs. Now curves and circles inside the body. Now draw the third ladybug. Repeat the same steps for the third ladybug. Now we are going to draw plants by using parallel curves, ends with sharp edges. We can draw the branches in different shapes. Now we are going to draw another plant. This one is going to be little big size. Draw all the branches in sharp edges. We draw flower by using circle and oval shapes. First draw a circle and an oval all around the circle. Now draw a bud by using parallel curve, then oval. Draw a bee by using circle and an oval. Now draw curves inside an oval. Now we are going to draw a stand. Draw two parallel standing lines and an oval on top of the lines. Draw an ant by circle and an oval. Draw a bee by using circle and oval. Draw circle and lines for the legs. Draw another bee by using circle and oval. Let's start coloring. Red color. Black color. Black color. Red color. Red color. Black color. Light brown color. For sun. Green for grass. Dark green color for the plants. Brown color for the stand. Yellow and black color for the bee. Pink color for the flowers. Orange color for the bat. Brown color. Black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a cow. See you.